Hello, my name is Mom Sinang. How to do a BMX flatland? Step 1, let's go. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Lock in balance. Yeah. Lock balance. Yeah. Lock in balance. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Lock. Step 1, lock in balance. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Step 2.